Hey guys, and welcome back to Learn How to Dance, where you can find step-by-step tutorial of the most popular dances, TikTok dances, Fortnite dances, and other awesome dances. So, today we're gonna do another WAP tutorial, and this time it's gonna be Megan the Stallion part. So the one that goes, Yana, I'm a freak, and it ends with ding ding. It's the WAP version that Charli D'Amelio has done a couple of times now. The dance is created by Ray Torres, so a huge shout out to him for creating this awesome dance. If you don't know who he is, go check out his stuff. I'll post his name somewhere here. And as always, thank you guys so much for all the requests, and thank you Hannah for being the first one to request it. Okay, so for this dance, I'm gonna break it down into 3 mini sections, and then for each mini sections, we're just gonna, go through the steps, and then we're gonna practice, and then at the very end, we're gonna do a full run through, and then we're gonna practice. Now, if you're a fast learner, you're always welcome to skip to the full dance run through and practice. Okay, so let me just show you the first section that you're about to learn. So it goes, Yana, I'm a freak, handcuffs down, and across, and out. Hey guys, I just want to remind you that you can change your YouTube speed settings down below if you think I'm going too fast or too slow. Alright, so let me break it down for you. So, the first thing you're gonna do is take your right arm and go figure 8, right? Or actually it's more like a fish. Yeah, so starting from your top right here, you're going bottom left, and then bottom right. Alright, so starting from top right, going down, up, down. Yeah, now the left is saying wait, and then once this comes down, you want to add this left arm behind your head. Alright, so when you do it all together, it's going to look like this. Boom, down. So just try it with me. So I'm going to go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're going to go swing down. 5, 6, 7, 8, and swing down. Alright, so right after swing down, from here you want to pull up your arms and go Wakanda forever. Alright, from here you want to drop them down, and then you want to say cross. Yeah, so your hands are open before they were closed, and now you want to say out. Alright, so let's just rewind. We just did boom, from here up with your arms, Wakanda. From here down, and then bring them up again. This time you're going to open your hands, and then you want to say out. Okay, so let me just recap what we've learned so far, and then we're gonna practice. Alright, so from the tip to the top, the right arm is gonna go swing, down, Wakanda, down, open hands, out. Okay, I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're gonna practice. Alright, so 5, 6, 7, 8, and swing, down, Wakanda, down, hands, out. Let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8, and swing, down, Wakanda, down, hands, out. Alright guys, one last time. 5, 6, 7, 8, and swing, down, Wakanda, down, hands, and out. Alright guys, moving on to mini section number 2, and that is so we ended here. From here, the new section is, let me just show you, it's gonna be boom, A, down, and pray. Now, let me break it down for you. So, we ended here. The arms are gonna come down, and then you're going up on your toes. Yeah, so you're pushing yourself up. Alright? So right after the push, when you go down, you want to take your right arm, prep here before you go swing to your left side. Alright? So I went push, prep, swing to the side. Yeah? And you can turn if you want to exaggerate a bit more. Alright? So from here, we go push and swing. Now from here, when it swings back, you want to go prep before you say hammer. Yeah, notice how my left hand is going behind my head here. Yeah, so let me just go back. We just did swing. From here, you want to swing it, prep, and then go hammer, knee, and hit arm behind your head. Yeah, so from, you know what, let's go to the beginning of midsection 2 here. So we want to push yourself up, prep for the swing, prep, knee. All right, now from here, you just want to take your left arm here and go hammer it down. All right, and you just bring your leg down. So from here, it's just hammer down. And then the last part is saying pray. Pretty easy, right? So let's just rewind from the tip to the top. Well, not tip to top, but beginning of part 2 here. Then we go push, prep, swing to the left, prep back up, and then knee, whoop, and then hammer it down with your left, whoop, and then go pray. Okay, so let's just try that a few times. I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're gonna practice. So, 5, from here, 5, 6, 7, 8, we go push, and swing left, and knee, here, hammer, down, and pray. Let's just try that again. 5, from here, 6, 7, 8, push, prep, swing, prep, knee, hammer, pray, here. Let's try one last time, a bit faster. 5, 6, 7, sorry, here. 5, 6, 7, 8, push, prep, swing, prep, knee, hammer, pray, here. Now, if you still feel like practicing some more, feel free to do so, but if you're ready to move on, let's move on. Alright guys, now the last mini section, numero 3. So, let me just quickly show you what we're about to learn. So, we just did boom, 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 pray. From pray, we're gonna say no and flick and binoculars away, ding, ding. Now, let me explain. So, boom, 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 pray. From here, you want to say cross your arms and go down, out. All right, so it's and no. From here, you want to say up, yeah, and then flick your hands out. Okay, so let me just show you this flick part from another view. So I'm just gonna turn around here so you can see from the back. It's gonna go like this. Up with your arms, here, flick, out. All right, so wake up here, thumbs up, then you want to say flick, out. All right, now let's go back. So it's cross, no, and flick, out. Now from here, you want to say holding binoculars, then you're looking to the side, and then you want to say drop them down before you go box, box. All right, so let's just rewind. We're gonna go, let me keep forgetting, pray, here. So from pray, we want to say cross, no, and flick, and binoculars away, and ping, ping. All right guys, so let's just practice a few times, yeah? So from the pray part, I'm gonna go slow. 5, 6, 7, 8, we go, and no, and flick, and binoculars away, drop, ping, ping. Let's try again. 5, 6, 7, 8, and no, and flick, and binoculars away, ping, ping. All right guys, one last time, a bit faster. So 5, 6, 7, 8, and no, and flicker, and binoculars away, and ping, ping. Okay guys, time to do the full dance from the tip to the top. I'm just gonna do a quick run through and then we're gonna practice. All right, time to do the full dance run through. All right, so from the tip to the top, we're gonna start with the right, saying prep, swing to your bottom left, up, and then the left arm goes up, right arm goes down. From here, you wanna say Wakanda forever, cross, and then you go down, and then you want to say, put them up again, open hands, and then go out. From here, you want to push yourself up, whoop, and as you go down, you prep your right to go swing to your left. Hey, and then when you go back, you prep it again to go hit your knee up. Notice my left hand is here. Then you want to bring that down and go hammer. And then you want to say, both hands pray. From here, you want to say, cross, no, up, and then say, flick your hands out. And then you want to go binoculars, look, away. They go down before you say, ding, ding. Now, let me explain the timing. So I'm just gonna emphasize the words that we're trying to hit. All right, so from the tip to top, you're on a na-na freak, handcuffs, na-na, switch, na wick, na-na feel, na-na cheated, na-na knees, na-na some, na believing, never, na fight, na looking for a beat, ding, ding. Alright guys, time to practice. So I'm gonna go 5, 7, and 8, and we're gonna start slow and then gradually speed up. Alright? So 5, 6, 7, 8. You're on a na freak, handcuffs, na switch, na wick, na feel, na cheating, na knees, na some, na leaving, never, na fight, na looking for beat, ding, ding. Alright guys, let's try that a bit faster. So 5, 6, 7, 8. You're on a na freak, handcuffs, na switch, na wick, na feel, na cheating, na knees, some, na leaving, never, na fight, na looking for a beat, ding, ding. Alright guys, one last time, a bit faster. So 5, 6, 7, 8. You're on a na freak, handcuff, na switch, na wick, na feel, na cheating, na knees, na some, na leaving, never, na fight, na looking for a beat, ding, ding. Alright guys, so now you just need to practice it over and over again until you can do it fast. Alright, so that's it for this dance tutorial on how to do the WOP, making the Stallion part. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.